Every mix design used to mean paying an engineer $250 to $500. Again and again. For a busy producer, that's thousands a year. Not anymore. A complete, submittal-ready mix design, built in minutes in-house. This is the Elite Mix Design Center. Start with your materials and performance targets, all from a single platform. And it runs the PCA-based calculations automatically. Combine gradation analyzed for you. And a built-in health check reviews every value, flagging potential issues before they become costly mistakes. Then one click, your professional submittal is done. Built for ready mix producers, QC labs, and engineers. Proven PCA methodology. One platform instead of spreadsheets and invoices. Unlimited designs, unlimited submittals, one simple, one-time purchase. Stop paying engineering fees for every mix. The Elite Mix Design Center, available now.